LightPro Audit is an iPad application designed to capture all audit information for a lighting project. It's a self-contained app with the ability to run completely without internet access. It is one module of our comprehensive LightPro suite of applications designed to help you manage the entire lifecycle of your lighting projects. LightPro Audit manages information about your clients, projects, buildings, spaces, ECMs or energy conservation measures, and control zones. The client screen is used to record basic address and contact information about your client and an enumerated list of all the active projects for that client. As an administrator, you can control how the screens behave for different groups of users. You can set which fields are hidden away and which fields are required during data entry. On the Projects page, LightPro Audit stores the address and contact information for that project. The information is inherited from the corresponding client data and can be changed as needed. Also included is a list of all the buildings and control zones listed in the project. Additional project data is stored in the Project 2 screen. This includes utility and rebate program information. A button reveals a hidden section to record the various margins and fees, as well as the labor info for the project. The building address and contact information inherited from the project data is stored on this screen. In addition, there's a section for building details as well as a list of the spaces defined for the building. To handle projects that may span different geographic boundaries, a section is available to record building-specific labor rates if they differ from the ones stored in the project. The Spaces screen is used to store basic information about each space. It also contains a section to record the ASHRAE and Title 24 power adjustment factors for watts per square foot based on room use, as well as the standard occupancy sensor power reduction factors based on room type. It also includes a section to record the lighting characteristics info and a list of all the ECMs defined for the space. At the top of the ECM screen, we see the same ECM grid list from the Spaces page. By selecting an item in this grid, we can see the existing fixture information, the strategy, and the proposed fixture information. LightPro Audit incorporates several ease-of-use features, including a tap counter to allow for counting large numbers of fixtures in a given space, a fixture picker used to select the proper item from a large catalog of fixtures by selecting specific fixture characteristics. A list of all ECMs in the current project, any one of which can be used in the current space. A list of ECM favorites, that is, a list of recurring ECMs that you encounter from project to project. And LightPro Audit has the ability to clone ECMs, spaces, buildings, or even an entire project. For each ECM, you can capture control specifications for ECM-specific controls, like an occupancy sensor, or zone controls, a control device that manages a group of ECMs, for example, a timer that controls all the ECMs on a floor of a building. LightPro Audit can record the information about zone controls, which control operation of multiple ECMs anywhere within a project. It includes information about the existing zone control, the strategy, and the proposed zone control. LightPro Audit has the ability to layer zones, for example, the controls for a campus, a specific building, and a floor. It also automatically maintains a list of all the ECMs managed by each zone. Using the iPad camera, you can capture photos to be associated with a project, a building, a space, an ECM, or a zone control. In addition, you can capture typed notes to be associated with a project, building, space, ECM, or zone control. After the audit data is synchronized to the cloud, you can immediately create a good faith estimate based on your typical material and labor costs and email it to your customer. If your customer wants to move forward, you can adjust your labor and material costs based on the specifics of the project and create a formal proposal. The modular proposal can be tailored to your needs and includes a financial summary, year-by-year projected savings, graphical representations of those savings, and a recap including energy and greenhouse gas savings. LightPro Audit was designed by auditors for auditors. It will greatly enhance your productivity over the typical handwritten notes later transcribed to spreadsheets.